In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose between bleed and no bleed options on KDP, which is an essential part of creating your book layout for publication. If you're new to Kindle Direct Publishing, the concept of bleed can be a bit confusing at first, but don't worry. I'll guide you through it step by step, ensuring you feel confident in making the right choice for your project. To get started, you'll need to navigate to the KDP platform and go to your book's setup page. Once there, you'll find an option labeled Print Options. This is where you'll make important decisions about how your book will appear in print. So what exactly is bleed? Bleed is a term used to describe the printing that goes right to the edge of the page without any white margin showing. If you're looking to have your images or color run to the edges of your pages, it's important to select the bleed option. This is often used for picture books, books with illustrations, or any project where an edge-to-edge color effect will enhance the visuals. Choosing bleed ensures that when the book is trimmed during the production process, no unwanted white borders are left at the edges. On the other hand, the no bleed option is the traditional choice for most text-heavy books. This option leaves a blank margin around the pages, which is perfect for novels, textbooks, or any other work where text clarity is your main focus. It creates a more classic look, typically used for books with predominantly text content, ensuring readability remains high without any color distractions at the edge of the page. If your book consists primarily of text or doesn't require images to extend to the edge, no bleed will preserve that neat, clean appearance. Once you've made your choice between bleed and no bleed, don't forget the final step. Save your selections. Navigate to the bottom of the Print Options page and click on Save and Continue. This ensures that your settings are locked in and ready for the next stages of the publishing process. Remember, your choice between bleed and no bleed can significantly influence the appearance and appeal of your physical book. So take a moment to consider what will best serve your content and audience. It's always a good idea to think about whether your book's design relies on graphics extending to the edge, or if it's more elegantly presented with margins to frame your content. I hope this explanation makes the decision clearer for you and aids in creating the perfect finished product for your readers. Thank you for joining me today as we navigated this important publishing choice. Remember to like and subscribe for more KDP tutorials. Happy publishing!